Hello, good morning students. Today again we are doing chapter 3 circle. Practice at 3.1. Question number 3. So students, the question is segment Rn and segment Rn are tangents. Both are what? Tangent segments of a circle with center O. So this is my circle. Center name is what? O. Next, Rm and Rn, they are what? They are tangents. So look, this is my point R, Rm. This is what? One tangent. Right? Next, Rn. So this is my Rn, another tangent. So these are two tangents given. Now next, we need to prove. What do we need to prove? Prove that segment OR, what it does? It divides whom? It divides major angle MRN. Look, MRN. These two are what? They are getting divided in two equal parts. Similarly, another angle MON. MON. Again, these two also get divided in two equal parts. This we need to prove. So let's start with the solution. Okay. Now what you can see? We can see here a circle with center O. R is what? R is the exterior point. So from one external point I have drawn two tangents. One is Rn, one is Rn. This way we have prepared two triangles. Look, this upper triangle OMR. So I'll select triangles. In triangle OMR. And we need to select one more triangle. Look, this lower triangle ONR. Okay, so triangle ONR. First we need to prove them similar or congruent. Okay, so what do we know? We know that OM is what? OM is the radius, right? What else we know? MR is what? Tangent. So every radius is what? Perpendicular to the tangent. So we can write here. Look, OM is perpendicular to MR. So therefore, what I can say? Angle OMR. Angle OMR is equal or congruent to one more angle. Look, ONR. Right? These two angles are equal. ONR. Why they are equal? Because both the angles are right angle. Why they are right angle? Because look, tangent is perpendicular to radius. So tangent theorem. Theorem name is what? Tangent theorem. Clear all? These two angles becomes what? Right angle. Now we all know opposite of right angle. This becomes hypo. Similarly, opposite of this right angle, same. OR. OR is what? So we'll write OR is congruent to OR. Why? They are hypo. So we will write here. First of all, we can see they are common. Yes. So we can write them. They are common hypo. What they are? Common hypo. Clear? Now, can you see one side? This side? Yes, this side OR is what? OR is their hypo. Now, one more side. Look, OM. OM is congruent to whom? It is congruent to OM. Why? What was OM? OM was the radius. What about OM? OM is also what? Radius. It means both are what? They both are radii of same circle. So what will write as reason? Radii of same circle. So we'll mention this reason. Radii of same circle. Clear all? Okay. Then next, one is hypo, one is side. So which test? So we'll get side hypo test. So let us name the triangle. Triangle OM. What do we left? R is congruent to triangle ON. What do we left? Again R. Right? Why they are congruent? Because of this is what? Side, and this was hypo. So we'll write here side hypo test, or you can also write as hyposide test. Because of this test, we prove two triangles what? These two triangles are congruent. Clear all? Yes. Now the main question comes. MRN. Where it is? Look. This is my angle MRN. This greater angle. If I divide or bisect this angle, so I'll get two equal angles. It means these two should be equal. If they are equal, it means yes, this line is what? It is bisected. Let's see. This upper angle, where it is? In the upper triangle. So this is my triangle OMR. Right? Here I can select angle R. Yes. What I can say? Angle. Look, this angle I need. Right? Angle MRO. Right? We are talking about this angle R. So angle MRO is congruent to. It was third angle. Now here again, third angle I take. Angle NRO. Look, NRO. This angle and these two angles are what? They becomes congruent. Right? Why they are congruent? Because corresponding angles. Look, these two are what? These two are corresponding angle of congruent triangles. Right? One more angle. Look, this angle O. Where it is? MOR. Back to this triangle. Now we are talking about this first angle. So I can write MOR. MOR is congruent to. Here the first angle is what? O. So I can write here NOR. Both are having same reason. So instead of writing this, we can write the same reason for both. And the reason is what they are? They are corresponding angles. What they are? Corresponding angles of which triangles? Triangles are already proved as congruent. So corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Clear all? Understood, students? Now since these two angles are congruent, now what I have proved? We have proved that these two angles are congruent. What it means? If it is congruent, it means this line OR, what it does? It is bisecting this angle. Similarly, the same line coming here, and what we have proved? Again we have proved these two triangles are also equals to each other. It means again this line OR, what it does? It again divides this whole angle in two equal parts. Look, both the parts are what? Equal. Therefore, I can say OR, right? OR is what? Look, prove that segment OR. So I can prove here, yes. Therefore, we'll write here segment OR is what? What it does? Look, OR, it is dividing this angle as well as this angle. So I can write here segment OR is, or segment OR, what it does? Divides. Whom? Divides the angle. The first angle is what? MRN. Yes. It bisects or divides the angle MRN. And the same OR, what it does? It also divides the angle MON. Clear everyone? So this way we have proved our solution. Clear everyone? Hope you all have understood how to solve sub question 3. Thank you so much.